In this short video, I want to show you how anyone can defend themselves from potential threats with this highly effective self-defense aid. By targeting the weak points on the dummy, you can see that the Peace KEYper can be an effective tool to incapacitate or shock an attacker, give you a chance to escape. With the hammer grip strike, the Peace KEYper, I'm holding here. This is going to be a really good strike for using it under the chin, coming at the head, the temple area, the neck area. So I'm going to demonstrate here for you on Bob. So here, say he grabbed me, I'm here, right there in the ribs, the armpit here, okay? Right at the temple, the neck area, right there, getting in the ear, anywhere in there. With the ice pick grip of the Peace KEYper, the strike that I'm using here, jab and stab strike, is just swinging, easy to, you know, you get mad with your eyes closed, you don't know what to do, panicking, just swinging across, down, any way you want to while you're holding it there. Let me demonstrate on Bob for you. You can see it here, I can come down. That collarbone, that soft neck area right there. You know, I can also get those ribs also. He grabs a chokehold or something, boom, boom, right there in the rib cage. Going again for that temple, swing, the neck area, that ear, okay, right there. And that's a swing you can use for the ice pick hold. The strikes of the Peace grip with Peace KEYper match that of the Panther Paw strike of the martial arts. So this is an excellent strike to use. You can't see there, but I put some holes in Bob. Definitely allowed me the time to make the escape that I want. The Tiger Paw strike with the Peace KEYper is great, and one of the reasons I like this is because you don't have to be untrained. You get in a situation, you know, you just go crazy. Anybody can use that type of strike. Think about even a child who's not trained, and they get afraid, they just want to strike it, hitting that collarbone, hitting that temple, hitting those rib cage. Let me demonstrate again on Bob. So here, boom, I can come down there, right to the temple, the neck, the rib cage, boom, under the armpit. If he's got a hold of you, striking right there. And if he had a groin, boom, striking right down there at the groin. Tiger Paw grip and strikes. Raking strikes that anybody can use. The pinch grip strike with Peace KEYper is a jabbing strike, quick motion, almost like a jab punch. Let me demonstrate on Bob. Great for hitting the eyes, throat, and body. What is your Peace